Welcome to the Teleon Surgical booth. We're excited to be here at APACRS 2023 in Singapore, where we are showcasing our innovative IOLs and advancements in cataract surgery to the Asia-Pacific region.
At Teleon Surgical, our passion for perfect vision is what drives us to push the boundaries of what's possible with our advanced lens optics and personalized patient experiences.
Teleon is all about refractive multifocal and extended depth of focus lenses. Visual disturbances after cataract surgery can mean a disaster for any patient. But with many IOLs, this means sacrificing things like range of vision. So with the Teleon lenses, there is no compromise.
The challenge with any kind of presbyopia correcting lens is to give a good functional range of vision, but to avoid the unwanted compromise of visual phenomena that may disturb a patient, give them halos at night or glare or just lack of clarity. And what the Teleon range of lenses brings us are pure refractive designs. We have this asymmetric refractive segmental lens that gives patients very functional range of vision, but without the compromise of problems with night vision.
Our Lentis lenses reflect our belief in customization. They can be tailored specifically to the need of every patient, such as astigmatism, to the fullest extent possible. And that's the beauty of Teleon.
Challenge really there is actually meeting patient expectations and being able to explain what we can achieve after the surgery. There are different kinds of lenses that we can use, and the main goal there is really patient satisfaction.
And that's what all the Teleon lenses is about. It makes all the patients are very, very happy. And that's why I think this is the lens where you should go, and every patient should have such a lens in their eye.
Well, cataract surgery nowadays is actually a very safe surgical procedure. However, even in uncomplicated cataract surgical procedures, the most common complication that patients often have is dysphotopsia. And this can be a severe problem with respect to their visual quality. So one of the advantages of the Femtis intraocular lens that I use is that I can clip the lens to the anterior capsule, and this can completely get rid of any issues with positive and negative dysphotopsia, which can occur in many standard cataract intraocular lens procedures that are available today.
The advancements in optics that power Teleon's IOL light-up are the result of our cutting-edge research at the world's most renowned universities and research centers. We are committed to not only the next generation of optical technology, but the continuing education needed for doctors everywhere to get there.
And these lenses have had a huge impact on our practice. We've been involved with these lenses for a number of years now. We actually published on the Femtis lens. We found that almost 60% of our patients with the Femtis lens were able to see without requiring spectacle. And that's a really good outcome with an EDOF style of lens, particularly when there was a total absence really of unwanted visual phenomena.
The Teleon personalized approach to premium optics on variable IOL platforms doesn't stop with the patient either. Our dedicated team is here to assist surgeons every step of the way.
So, if you're looking for an IOL experience like no other, get in touch with us and find out how Teleon can take your premium cataract practice to the next level.